Hello and welcome to the SEO case study. We're going to be talking about how to rank a website from start to finish. So we're going to go over every single thing that you need to do, from picking out your keywords to setting up your website to promoting and optimizing it, all the way up to getting that first page ranking that we're going after. So anyone that thinks that they can't do SEO or that SEO is too hard, this is going to be a step-by-step guide of exactly what I do every day to get first page rankings for my websites. So first of all, what is our objective here? Our objective is to rank a brand new website in Google using the exact same methods and strategies taught throughout Real World Traffic's SEO training. So what that means is that I'm going to find a brand new domain that has no history, it has no backlinks, so I can show you how powerful all of these methods and tactics are that we teach you and that they can be applied to any website, no matter if it's new or established. And I just want to show you that I actually do the things that I teach you and that they actually do work. The first thing that we're going to go over is picking your keywords and domain. And this is basically going to cover determining what keywords we should target and finding an available domain name to match them. The next step is competitive research. We're going to analyze the top 10 competitors in Google to make sure that we can actually compete and beat them in the market. There's no point in going into a market or going after a keyword that we just can't compete for. Sometimes there are just so many established websites that are targeting a certain keyword that it just isn't worth your time. So I'm going to show you exactly how to evaluate the top 10 competitors in Google and determine if going after that keyword is worth it or not. Then I'm going to show you how to register a domain. There's some stuff in here that doesn't correlate directly to SEO and what we teach, but I want to go through exactly every single step that you have to do, from the absolute first step to the last step of having your website rank. The next step after that is setting up your domain and hosting. So we're going to be configuring and setting up the domain name and hosting to put the website online. And like I said before, I want to cover every single step so that even if you want to do this on your own and you don't want to hire anyone and you don't have any technical knowledge, you can do this from start to finish. Then I'm going to show you how to create a website in 30 minutes or less. We're going to use a very powerful content management system called WordPress, which will allow us to create a high quality and user-friendly website in a few clicks. Technology has become so advanced that anyone can make websites if they know how to use a keyboard and mouse. So I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a WordPress site that works great for SEO. And then we're going to go over writing content for SEO. I'm going to show you some tips for writing and creating the content for your website to ensure maximum exposure and visibility. So by doing this, you'll be absolutely sure that your content has the highest visibility possible on Google. The next step is optimizing on-page SEO, and we're going to be setting up all the important on-page SEO aspects that search engines look for and pay attention to. So that's going to cover everything like title tags, description tags, keyword density, keyword placement, website structure and navigation and accessibility, and all of that kind of stuff that actually takes place on your website that search engines will give you significant boost if you do correctly. After we finish on-page SEO, we're going to move on to link building. And that's going to help us build our website's credibility, trust, authority, and rankings with a consistent and aggressive inbound link campaign. If you don't know by now, backlinks are absolutely 100% critical to high search engine rankings. So I'm going to show you both how to start building your own links and how to make sure that your website is good enough that other people will link to it naturally without you having to ask them to. And then the final topic we're going to be going over is rank tracking, which is monitoring and measuring the results of your SEO efforts to determine what works best for you and what is ineffective. So without rank tracking, you're basically going to have no idea what's going on, if your websites are ranking, if what you did last week is effective, if your backlinks aren't getting indexed, and a lot of other stuff related to monitoring and measuring the results of your SEO so that you can do more of the stuff that works and cut out the stuff that doesn't. So that's all that we're going to be going over. So I'll see you in the next video.